I got a box in the mail, but I already opened it. Got from my buddy Gadget Eats. Or is it Gadget at Eats? He wrote me a letter, and on the back it says, "Phil to the motherfucking Billy." There's some delicious ass candy. I've done had some. It's some old-fashioned, old-timey candy. It's really good. You can't find candy like this no more. You gotta make it. Well, he made it. He sent me some. What I'm gonna do with it is I'm gonna rinse that powdered sugar off, and I'm gonna put it in some moonshine. And we'll come back tomorrow. We're gonna have some fireball of our own. Fireball moonshine, fire water, cinnamon schnapps. I'm gonna go rinse this powdered sugar off, and I'll come back to you. Look at this. Look at this right here. Rinse that powdered sugar off. I better be careful. I just washed my blanket. Oh shit. We're gonna drink the candy. Oh, I saved a few pieces for me and the kids. It's good stuff, man. You don't see candy like that at the store anymore. That's some old-timey stuff. Stuff Granny used to make, you know what I mean? We're at his clone. All we're gonna do is we're gonna shake this up. We're gonna let that sit overnight. Tomorrow we're gonna have our own. That's gonna be better than Fireball. We'll see you tomorrow. Look how pretty that is. That's the shit, Gadget. I appreciate it, man. Cinnamon candy. Turned out good, dude. That tastes so good, bro. That's better than Fireball and Goldschlager and Firewater and all them fucking cinnamon schnapps out there, man. That's good shit. Lady's gonna love this shit. I might get lucky, son. Fuck your mama, bitch!